amazing. I mean, I've never been to Portugal. I can't believe how lovely this boat is. Never done a cruise of any sort, and we never thought we would. And I'm just so glad we have.
Here we are, on the edge of mystery. We long for a
It's been amazing, not just because of the scenery or the staff, but I think the care and attention that are put into just things like the daily briefing. So we were prepared to be amazed, but I think stunned is the best word. Some of the scenery is just amazing, and we didn't expect it.
slowing down. We're chasing down the dreams we found over the rivers and mountains, deep in the heart of the sea. We know adventure is calling, so we run wild and free. Wild and free. Wild and free.
The river is spectacular. Everybody told us to expect a beautiful river, and this has just blown me away. But the organisation that Riviera have put into this has been absolutely second to none.
And free. We're not ever slowing down. We're chasing down the dreams we found over the rivers and mountains, deep in the heart of the sea. We know adventure is calling, so we run wild and free. Wild and free. Wild and free.
And I would like to do this trip all over again. I'm already sad it's got to end. It's just amazing.